Let's go to next question. Samantha goes to school 5 days a week. This gives you the clue. Maybe this is a binomial distribution. When it rains, the probability that she goes to school by bus is 0.5. When it doesn't rain, the probability that she goes to school by bus is 0.3. The probability that it rains on any given day is 0.2. On a randomly selected school day, find the probability that Samantha goes to school by bus. Since we are calculating the probability of a sequence of events, the tree diagram is the best choice. Rain and not rain for any given day. On a raining day, go to school by bus. Go to school not by bus. On a not raining day, go to school by bus or go to school not by bus. Let's find out the probabilities for each branch. The probability that rains on any given day is 0.2. 0.2. This is 0.8. On a raining day, the probability that goes to school by bus is 0.5. This will be 0.5 too. When it doesn't rain, the probability that she goes to school by bus is 0.3. 0.3. This is 0.7. Then we will multiply all the probabilities along the branches. 0.2 times 0.5 equals 0.1. 0.2 times 0.5 equals 0.1. 0.8 times 0.3 equals 0.24. 0.8 times 0.7 equals 0.56. Label raining day and go to school by bus. Raining day, go to school not by bus. Not raining day, go to school by bus. Not raining day, go to school not by bus. We are looking for the probability of going to school by bus here, by bus here. We need to add these two probabilities. So the answer will be 0.1 plus 0.24 equals 0.34. This is the answer for A. Let's go to B. Given that Samantha went to school by bus on Monday, find the probability that it was raining. Given that, we'll go to denominator. The probability for this given that is by bus, 0.34. So 0.34 go to denominator. Find the probability that it was raining. Check back. These two probabilities form 0.34. You need to check which one is for raining. 0.1 is for raining. So 0.1 will be the numerator. 0.294. Let's go to C. In a randomly chosen school week, find the probability that. Samantha goes to school by bus on exactly 3 days. School week from the given information means 5 days. Since there are 2 outcomes, by bus or not by bus, and 5 days, 3 days, all this information means this is a binomial distribution. N equals 5, P equals the probabilities of going to school by bus is 0.34. X follows binomial distribution with 5 and 0.34 as the probability of going to school by bus. We are looking for P of X equals 3. We will use the binomial PDF. Let's go to calculator. Go to scratch pad menu 558. N is 5. P is 0.34. X is 3. Enter, enter. 0.171. 0.171. Let's go to C2. Samantha goes to school not by bus. More than 2 days. N equals 5. Probability of going to school not by bus. The probability of by bus is 0.34. Not by bus. 1 minus 0.34 equals 0.66. X follows binomial distribution with 5 trials. 0.66 as the probability of going to school not by bus. We are looking for probability of X greater than 2. We need to change this into compound inequality. X greater than 2 means X greater than or equal to 3, less than or equal to. The number of trials is 5. So less than or equal to 5. Let's go to calculator. Menu 5, go to B. Binomial CDF. N is 5. Probability is 0.66. Lower bound 3. Upper bound 5. Enter, enter. 0.780. Let's go to question 3. Samantha goes to school not by bus. Less than 4 days. N equals 5. P equals 0.66. X follows binomial distribution with 5 and 0.66 as the probability of going to school not by bus. We are looking for probability of X less than 4. We will change this one into compound inequality. X less than 4 means X less than or equal to 3, greater than or equal to 0. We will use binomial CDF. Menu 5, B. Binomial CDF 5. 0.66. Lower bound is 0. upper bound is 3. Enter, enter. 0.552. Let's go to question 4. Samantha goes to school by bus at most 4 days. N equals 5. Probability of going to school by bus is 0.34. X follows binomial distribution with 5 and 0.34 as the probability of going to school by bus. We are looking for probability of X less than or equal to 4. Change this into compound inequality. X less than or equal to 4 greater than or equal to 0. Go to binomial CDF. Menu 5. Binomial CDF 5. Probability of going to school by bus is 0.34. 0 as lower bound, upper bound is 4. Enter. 0.995.